Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Uninstalling a Python package in Apache Airflow can be accomplished using the pip command, which is the package installer for Python. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of uninstalling a Python package from your Apache Airflow environment. Before uninstalling a Python package, make sure you have access to your Apache Airflow environment. This may involve connecting to your Airflow server or navigating to the machine where Airflow is installed. Apache Airflow often uses virtual environments to manage Python packages. You need to activate the virtual environment associated with your Airflow installation. If you're unsure where the virtual environment is located, you can check the venv directory within your Airflow project. Replace /path/to/your/airflow/project with the actual path to your Apache Airflow project. Once the virtual environment is activated, you can use the pip uninstall command to remove the desired Python package. Replace package_name with the name of the package you want to uninstall. For example, if you want to uninstall the requests package. After running the uninstall command, pip will prompt you to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y to confirm and proceed with the uninstallation. To ensure that the Python package has been successfully uninstalled, you can check if the package is no longer listed in the installed packages. This command will display a list of installed packages. Confirm that the package you uninstalled is no longer present in the list. Congratulations! You have successfully uninstalled a Python package from your Apache Airflow environment. Keep in mind that uninstalling a package might have dependencies on other packages, so it's essential to review the prompt during the uninstallation process. Note: always exercise caution when uninstalling packages, especially if they are dependencies for other components of your Apache Airflow project. Make sure you have a backup or version control in place before making significant changes to your environment. ChatGPT